What I see day in and day out is people are living very busy lives. We live in a very complicated world. Imagine one day you're driving along in your car and you decide to start playing with your iPod, and all of a sudden you run someone over. You could very easily be charged with criminal negligence causing bodily harm or death. And all of a sudden your life stops. Your family questions you. You're facing serious charges which may land you in jail. It's an experience that no one can understand unless it actually happens to you. And it's at that point in time when you're most vulnerable. Those are the type of people who end up sitting across from me in my office. With Crystal Cyr Criminal Law, the client is a partner. We are dramatically different in the sense that we very much try and provide a holistic approach. That is to say, it's not simply a matter of getting an individual through the criminal justice process, but to ensuring that they get through the process with their well-being intact. If they are found innocent, that may be great, but if their life is shattered and they are unable to move forward, then it's not much of a victory. So we are constantly involved in trying to restore our clients to sort of a state of well-being so that they can move on with their lives. This office is dedicated to their case. It's their firm. This is their home base. Everyone deserves the best possible, most vigorous defense. We bring in multidisciplinary people, non-lawyers, who have other expertise to work with us. We have a lawyer who has a research background. We have an investigator who assists in liaising with the client to get all the information we need with regards to potential witnesses. We also have a person who will help with bail and sentencing. When you take on a case, you stand alongside that client. We try and make them feel that we know who they are, we appreciate the lives they've led up until that moment, that we're going to do everything possible to assist them to get their old lives back. All those silly little mistakes that we make and day in, day out, and there are never any consequences. I see the people where there are consequences. Being someone's lawyer means that you step into their shoes and you take on their case and their battles and you fight their battles alongside of them. The greatest triumphs in our criminal justice system is not any fanfare. It's the quiet sound of steps as a person shuffles out of your office for the last time and seeing them go back to their lives, restored to their family and friends. That is the greatest moment.